Hello, how to say bye bye to false twin flame and invite your true twin flame? Hmm. Yeah, at times it happens that we are so much attached to our false twin flame just by projection that we really don't want to let go that illusion. Okay, I understand that. I was stuck in my false twin flame cycle for 2.5 years. But when I was doing my inner work constantly, I came to a point where I was able to see the truth, because when you do the inner work, you invite the truth within you and you stay in alignment of truth, and then you become very very clear what you are seeing rather than projecting your upset on the person. Then what can you do? What can you do to recognize that person as a false twin flame and literally release that person? Because who wants to keep false twin flame and block the union, right? And it is actually a like it's the biggest block on your true twin flame journey. So nobody would like to have a false twin flame and stay in fantasy, right? We want the real, real love, real romance in the life, and really have a true family life with a true twin flame, right? How amazing it is going to have your true twin flame in a wedding, in a family relationship. You marry your twin flame, and you can have everything that you have so far seen around people, like living a life without their twin flame, like how they say how miserable is the life. Like you can almost hear from most of the people saying how miserable, or maybe in which way they are different, right? It is a common thing. If like people will not come out and always say that their relationship is not working, they will always try to show that relationship is fantastic. But you can feel it, because when you are on a twin flame path, you are quite sensitive to feeling. So nobody can hide their true feeling from you. You can, they can decorate a picture, but when you tune into your heart, you will understand the truth behind the words. Okay, and this is exactly the clue, how you recognize what is the truth behind what you see in front of you in the person. Okay, so it is actually seeing beyond the image or seeing beyond the body. It is your ability, right? That's why we say do the inner work. Always do the inner work, because that will only enhance your ability to feel the truth. So the more and more you exercise, or more and more you master your feelings, that will only give you the path to recognize between true and false. And that is why it is said, your twin flame journey is much more than just having a harmonious union, because you are developing a ability or a mastery to understand everything around you, rather than being deceived what is written on the package. You will understand what is the truth behind that package. Is it really beneficial, or it is just labeled that it is beneficial? So that is the skill that you are developing by understanding your feelings. So how do you understand? You start working on your feelings, you will always refer back to your values. It is always recommended you keep your values hardly like hard embedded in your mind. And also remember your love list, your love list of your twin flame. that is like your Gita, that is like your Bible or your Quran. So it is like always you refer back to that. And you can, like, as you get into after some time, the triggering phase will end. You will come to a place that even your false twin flame will not trigger you. And once you come into that space, then you will be having that ability to see what is true and what is false. And in that moment, even if whoever that person is it a false or true, once you come into that feeling of peace, you start seeing how in their action they are reflecting the values. You can always see or observe or monitor, like in a given situation, how they are working, how they are responding. So like if you are very loving person, you will always see your twin flame being kind, being generous to other people in a logical way, not that just to give sympathy, but actually showing the right path. That is actually loving, not that just giving sympathy. Your true twin flame will actually show the right path to everyone, like you are, because both of you are on a path of spiritual mastery. So you will bring back people from misaligned thoughts to the aligned thoughts in line with God. So you will be able to see that person doing that. And you will also see keep monitoring on the life purpose. That is a greatest tool. You can always rely on your life purpose blindly. Like you identify what is your life purpose, and you are highly engaged into it. You are enjoying your life purpose, you are expanding your life purpose, and in all through that you will see in a way or other your twin flame must be contributing to that. They will be interested in the topic, or if they are not your twin flame, even with that subject they will get irritated. you know like if you take the subject of people or people behavior, or even talk about God or spirituality, that will not support them, or that will not interesting to them. Or like if you have some passion in the area of maybe and one more thing is like it's not necessary that both of you will serve in only in the spiritual way or the spiritual practices. You can always be a spiritual person, like you are anyway, everyone is a spiritual person, but you have awakened to your spiritual gifts and you are connected with God. And in that moment you can also do anything, like you fashions, you can bring spirituality in the fashion, right? Because God can give you so many innovative ideas in any place that you want to expand by your liking. Or you want to get into cosmetics, or even you want to get into simple teaching, or like anything in, or even sports, whatever that you like, you can always expand, and you will always see that your twin flame will partner with you there. Okay, and your false twin flame will not at all be interested in that. So then it will be very easy for you to identify that that's a false twin flame. And then when you come to the understanding, then comes the part of saying bye bye to that person. And yes, it will be painful, because so many years you have hold on to that person, because from your heart you have completely loved that person. From your side there was there was no what you say, like from my side there was nothing that like may or may not be, right? When you are truly in love with a person, you don't get into the scale whether he is or he is not. It is all about either you love or you don't love. Okay, so when you have given completely, you have loved the person unconditionally without judging whether he is a true twin flame and false twin flame. And when you love completely, unconditionally love the person, then you will be able to say bye bye, because the person will never turn back and love you. Because when you have reached a state of unconditional love within you, it's only your twin flame can hold that love. Like nobody else, like no, anyone else, like they have their own twin flame, right? It's not like they are anything less than or more than us. They have their own twin flame, but they will not be able to hold that unconditional love that you have in your heart. It's only your twin flame can hold or respond back unconditionally to you. So that's why they will naturally repel from you, because they see that truth. That's a human, right? That's a human being. So they know that that's a true love, that person is truly in love with me. And that human being cannot just cheat with you, right? Because that they see that divine love within you. So they may not be able to share, and they will just say, maybe I'm feeling emotional now. They will just say bye and they will just go. It's okay. Thank you.